How to hide files and folders in Windows 11 and 10. So let's start it. First of all, you select that image and folder which are hideable. I click on this image. I want to this image is hide. Then click on this image and click on properties. Then click on general. You can see here hidden button. You check it and then apply. You can see here this image is slowly background, and then click OK. You can see here this is background, but this is not hideable. So you can open this PC and click on desktop, open desktop file and click on view and click hidden item uncheck. So you can see here no arrow key image are visible on this desktop. So this is method to hide a folder on desktop. I hope this video is helpful for you.